Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 20th shloka of Shri Ramaraksha Stotram. Attasajjadhanusha Vishaspruša Vakshaya Shuganisangasanginau Rakshanaya Mama Ramalakshmanavagratah पथि सदैव गच्छताम्. आत्तसज्ज धनुषा, ready with bows drawn. Vishuhu, arrow. Sprusha, touching. Vakshaya, the chest. Shuga, gracefully. Nishanga, accuver, holding arrows. Sanginau, both are having. Rama and Lakshmana both are having quiver with them. Both are ready with bows drawn and arrows touching their chests. Both look graceful. Rakshanaya, to protect. Mama, me. Rama Lakshmana, both Rama and Lakshmana. Agratah, ahead of me. Pathi, in the way. Sada eva, always. Gacchatam, both are going. Both are going ahead of me to protect me in the way always. ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಹೆಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಹೂಡಿ ಆ ಬಾಣ ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈ ಅವರ ಎದೆಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಬಾಣ ತುಂಬಿದ ಬತ್ತಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವ ರಾಮಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರು ನನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.